my lovely foodies. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite Chinese dish. It's called GongBaoChicken. It is very delicious. I love it for many reasons. So enjoy the recipe.
Can't cook. Think you you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
I've cut 4 boneless chicken leg pieces here into really small bite-sized pieces because for this recipe, the pieces of chicken are normally very small. Of course, you can use chicken thighs or chicken breast for this recipe. Now seasoning is very simple. First things first, I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of white pepper. That's good. Next, I'm going to be going in with just 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding in some dark soy sauce, and the dark soy sauce will give it the color. So this is just 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Then I'm going to be going in with some light soy sauce as well, and the light soy sauce is for flavor and not so much color. So add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Then I'm just going to mix everything together. And then I'm just going to rest this to the side until I'm ready to use this. Now I'm going to make the gongbao sauce. It doesn't call for much. First things first, I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I'm using granulated sugar. Adding that to my bowl. Next, I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of dark vinegar. Next, a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Then I'll be adding to this 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, and I'm using white cooking wine. Then I'm going in with a tablespoon of cornstarch. And for now, a 1/4 cup of water. Then I'm just going to mix this all together to get that cornstarch nice and dissolved and everything nice and combined. This will give you a nice sweet and sour flavor. Here I'm adding just a little more sugar, about 1/2 tablespoon more, and you can add the sugar according to your liking. Now back to the chicken. Here I'm going to add to it 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then I'm just going to mix it all around, get that cornstarch all over each piece of chicken. That's lovely. So the next thing is I'm going to be frying these all up. I'm just going to be stir frying these. You just need about a tablespoon of oil in your pot to stir fry all this because you don't need it to be oily, too oily. So add them all in and just move everything around. This will take you only about 4 minutes to get these. You don't want to dry these out. You want this to be nice and juicy. And trust me, these pieces of chicken are really big for this dish compared to the pieces of chicken that you would get here in China for this dish. But I like to, I like to be able to see my chicken. And this is ROMA'S kitchen style. So just keep stir frying your pieces of chicken until it looks just something like this. And remember to stir fry this on just medium heat. Then you can remove these from your pot. Now back to our pot. I have here 1/2 tablespoon of oil. To this, I'll be adding 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Next, I'll be going in with 1 inch of chopped ginger. Then I'll be adding 7 dried chili peppers, You can add more if you like spicy food. Here I'm adding a teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn. Then I'm going to saute everything just for a little. And that's good enough. So now I'm going to go in with that GongBao sauce. Add that all in, and now this is just over low heat because the cornstarch is in this and we don't want this to thicken too quickly. So just move everything around. Then as soon as it starts to thicken, add in your stir-fried chicken pieces. Then move everything around once more. And ensure to keep your stove over low heat. Next, I'm going to be adding in a cup of chopped cucumber, and I chopped these really small. Mix it all together. Then I'm going to be adding in a half cup of roasted peanuts, and these peanuts, they have no salt. Mix it all in. That's good. So next I'm going in with 2 stalks of green onion, but I'm adding only half of this right now. The rest is to garnish. Mix that in as well. And I'm going to go in with another 1/4 cup of water, just to be able to have some gravy basically. Then mix everything together. And now you can actually turn your stove off. Look at this, guys. This is my KungPaoChicken. I love this so much. It is the perfect combination of sweet and sour plus that crunchiness from the peanuts, and I love cucumber so much, so this just makes it perfect, and it's just not too spicy. This goes perfect with some rice in true Chinese style, and this is a very popular dish here in China. It looks good, it smells good, and trust me, it tasted amazing. This is really one of my favorite. This is in my top 3 favorite Chinese dishes, and my Chinese friend confirmed it was good.
Well done.
This is the finished dish. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, visit my website at roma'skitchen.net. Until next video.